In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Philips Roku TV is not turning on. So you're pressing the power button on the remote control, maybe even the power button on the TV itself, and nothing is happening. The screen stays black. Well, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to take your remote control, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the batteries. Once the battery has been removed, it's time to unplug your TV from the wall outlet. So in my case, it's plugged right over here. So I will unplug like that, leave it, take the remote control, and you're gonna press the power button during 20 seconds. All right, keep it pressed. Obviously nothing will happening. This is just to drain the remaining electricity in your remote. After 20 seconds, you can let this button go. And now do the same with the power button that is located under your Philips TV. Sometimes it's in the middle, sometimes on the side. Mine is here. All right. Press on it 20 seconds. Again, this is to drain all the remaining energy, electricity out of the TV. After doing this, you can go and put back the batteries in your remote. On the back of your TV, unplug every HDMI, every USB, every devices that are currently connected. So over here I had a Chromecast. I'll disconnect the USB and the HDMI. If you have other devices over here, remove them. Sometimes these devices are causing the TV to behave this way. So we just want to make sure these are not causing the problem. Now it's time to replug your TV in the wall outlet. It's very important to know that sometimes the power bar is what's causing the issue because it's not providing enough electricity to your TV. So one of my tips would be to not plug it back in a power bar if this is what you were doing, but try connecting it directly into the wall outlet. And if you can, try to use another wall outlet if you have another one around. Sometimes this could be the issue. Once you have connected back your TV, go ahead and power it on, but don't use the remote control. Use the button that is under it. So go ahead, tap once on it, and wait. Hopefully after doing this, your TV will power on, the black screen will be gone, and you'll be good to go.